In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz to your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you want to engage your visitors, gather feedback, or simply add a fun element to your site, a quiz can be a fantastic and interactive way to achieve that. So, let's jump right in and get started. First things first, let's get logged into your Wix account. Once you're in, head over to your site's dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your website, from editing and designing to tracking site visitors. After you're in your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Design Site section. Here, you'll find the tools and options you need to creatively enhance your site's appearance and functionality. Head straight to your website editor. You'll see this option prominently displayed. Within the editor, look for the Apps menu. Wix uses a flexible app system that allows you to add a multitude of features to your site, tailoring it to suit your specific needs. Once in the Apps section, it's time to search for a quiz application that's suitable for your objectives. Type in Quiz in the search bar to explore a variety of quiz apps available for Wix. Choose an app that looks appealing to you and fits your needs. After selecting your app, go ahead and install it. Installation might take a moment, and once completed, the app should become visible on your page. This is where the fun really starts. You get to customize your quiz. Take some time to think about what kind of questions you want to include and how you'd like them to appear. Whether you're looking to create a straightforward quiz or something more complex, spend some time getting the details just right. Keep in mind that if you're using a free plan on Wix, there might be some limitations regarding how your quiz is displayed live on your site. If you find that certain features aren't available, you may need to consider upgrading your plan to unlock full functionality on your live site. This upgrade can aid in optimizing the user experience, ensuring that everything looks and works as intended once your visitors start interacting with your quiz. Once you're pleased with how your quiz looks and functions, it's time to see it in action. Select the option to preview your page and take a thorough look at how everything fits in the broader context of your website. If everything meets